Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Lizelle, 34 years old from Philippines. I'm married and I have 2 kids. My work experience is taking care of elderly, and I have finished contract in Malaysia, and also I'm doing some housework. I work here as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, and I serve one family and taking care of baby. My main duty is taking care of baby, 9 months old, like bathe her, changing diaper, feeding, and cooking. I do some housework also like laundry, marketing, cooking, and washing clothes. To my future employer, please choose me as one of your helper because I am very trustworthy, loyal, honest, caring, loving, and also have a God fearing. Looking forward to work with you and serve your family. And thank you and God bless you.